Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter. They. The Dutch. They is pronounced as they, but softer than the English W, sounding more like a cross between V and W. Listen carefully. Say it with me. They. Now, repeat after me. They. Once more. They. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. They. Now a little faster. They. And once more at normal speed. They. A common mistake is confusing they with they. Make sure to pronounce they with a soft, rounded sound, not as strong as the English W. One more time. They. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. They. Now, a little faster. They. Finally, at normal speed. They. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.